Let us see question first A. Rearrange the letters to make meaningful words occurring in the poem. Here the letters are jumbled. You have to put them in proper order to frame or make a meaningful word that is from this poem. For example, if you put all the letters in the first example in proper order, you can frame the word miracles. The same way you have to do for the other examples. Question B. Write words from the poem that describe the following. That is what you have to find the adjectives which are used to describe the following nouns. The first example is sky. How is the sky in the poem? It is stardust. The sky is stardust. So here the answer is stardust. The same way you have to find for other examples. Question second. Say why. Say why the sky has magical quality. Say why even an aging hand has beauty. Say why we should believe that we are strong and courageous. So here you have to give the reason or the explanation of the given lines. Next question. Question third. Make a list of any 6 things that the poet wants us to accept as true. Poet has given many of the examples in this poem. So you have to find the lines from this poem where we can say that poet is asking us to accept them as true. Let us see the example from the poem. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. The same way, you have to find some other examples. Let us see next question. Question 4. Find from the poem positive qualities to fill up the web. As this poem giving positive view of the life, poet has used some positive qualities in this poem. For example, courage. So find other qualities which are positive in this poem. Question 5th. It is about figure of speech. The first figure of speech is personification over here. What is personification? The lines in which something inhuman acts like human. Such lines are the examples of personification. For example, to believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. So, angels is the inhuman thing which is dancing. It means acting like human being. So that this is the example of personification. Another figure of speech is epigram. What is epigram? Lines in poetry which state a general truth and can be used as sayings or quotes, etc. They contain the figure of speech called epigram. Epigram closely resembles or looks like a proverb. Here is the example. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. Another example, to believe is to know that life is a gift. The same way, you have to find three other examples of epigram. I hope you all have understood how to solve the questions given in this workshop.